Discover the magic of PAW, Performing Arts Workshops, where creativity thrives and every student shines.
At PAW, we create a safe space for all students too.
Express yourself.
Build confidence on and off stage.
Bring stories to life.
The caring staff brings passion and guidance to our young performers.
These workshops helped me grow as an artist and a person.
At PAW, we are one big family.
Through your support, we can continue bringing performances to life and create unforgettable arts experiences for the youth in our community.
This Giving Tuesday, help us continue to inspire and empower through the arts. Your donation makes all the difference.
Your support today brings joy, creativity, and belonging to students tomorrow.
At PAW, we're family.
At PAW, we're family.
At PAW, we are family.
At PAW, we're family.